Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have what matters: a Google account and basic assets. First, sign into Google, open Google Sites, and pick either a template or a blank site. Name your site at the top so it saves consistently. Once done, set a theme to lock fonts and colors for a consistent look. This saves time later. Make a simple page outline, home, about, contact, and upload your logo and hero image now so you won't interrupt flow later. Now you construct the site. Use the Pages panel to add each page and drag to create subpages for menus. For each page, choose a layout block, 1 column, 2 columns, or header, and drag text boxes, images, and buttons into place. When embedding docs, slides, maps, or forms, pick files from Drive and adjust display settings to fit the section. Make sure to set file sharing appropriately so visitors can view embedded content without permission errors. Finish by previewing your site in desktop and mobile modes and tweak any misaligned sections so the page looks good on all screens. Then open the Publish dialog, choose a site address or attach a custom domain, and set who can view the site. Make sure navigation order and footer links are correct, then publish. If something breaks after publishing, clear browser cache and recheck file permissions in Drive. That fixes most invisible embed or access problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.